Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this makeup look for you guys using just new products, and this is the final result. So if you would like to see how I have achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing a full face using this huge makeup kit. It comes with 58 pieces, so it has color correcting, bronzer, blush, eyeshadow, brushes, mascara, eyebrow stuff, eyeliner, primer, and a beauty sponge. It's super big. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna be using to do my makeup today, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so first I went and wet my beauty sponge, and we're gonna start applying primer. So this is the face primer that comes with it, and I'm just gonna be applying it. Okay, so primer is done. This kit doesn't come with any foundation, so I'm gonna be using my own. And today I'm gonna be using the Revlon Color Stay 24 Hours Wear in the number 340. So the kit comes with this face highlighter, and I'm gonna see how it works. So I'm just gonna be taking a little bit. Okay, so this is a white cream, and it kind of works. Okay, now we're gonna do some bronzer, and we're gonna contour the face. This palette comes with some color correcting stuff. It comes with concealer. We can do some contour. So first, I'm gonna take a little bit of this green, and I'm gonna put it in this little pimple that I have right here. It's the first one of the year. So, but I'm gonna be applying it right there. So right now I'm just applying the concealer with my fingers under my eyes, a little bit on my forehead, nose, and on my chin. And now we're just gonna blend everything with the sponge. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this tiny brush to do some contour using this shade. So I'm gonna do my nose contour. Okay, so to set everything, I'm gonna be taking this large powder brush that comes with the kit and this NYX loose powder. Okay, so now bronzer. We're gonna be using the same palette that we were using before, and I'm gonna use this bronzer and this blush. So that's the bronzer, and it's pretty good. I like it. Okay, so now eyebrows. It comes with this brow gel right here with two different shades, and it comes with this angle brush and this little brow brush. So I'm gonna be using that. Okay, so eyebrows are done, and I don't think it looks that bad. Now I'm gonna be doing eyeshadow, and this is more for like a smoky eye. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, maybe some browns and some purple, I don't know. But we're gonna be working with this, and I'm gonna be using my own eyeshadow brushes because these are the only two brushes that come in the kit, and I need bigger ones. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this brown shade, and I'm gonna be applying it on the crease. Okay, it doesn't look like that on the camera, but it's super pigmented. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking this darker shade, and I'm gonna be applying it in the outer corner. Now I'm just blending so it looks darker. Okay, now for the lid, I think I'm gonna be using this golden shadow right here. So this one, it's not that pigmented. I think I'm gonna go back to this dark brown just to make the outer corner even darker. So again, I'm just gonna be applying a little bit and blending that out. Okay, so now for the bottom lash line, we're gonna be applying the same colors that we put on the crease. Okay, and for the inner corner, I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. Okay, so the kit comes with 3 different eyeliners. One is black, the other one is rose gold, and this one is blue. I'm gonna be using the black one. Okay, so this kit doesn't come with a liquid liner, so I'm gonna be using my own. And I'm gonna be using this one from e.l.f. And I'm also going to be applying some lashes because the kit doesn't come with any lashes. So I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispies. Okay, so lashes are on. My eyeliner is done. And I think it's looking pretty good so far. So now I need some mascara. And I'm going to show you the one that comes in the kit. So this is the mascara. And it comes with this wand. So you can just move it around however you want the brush. I guess that can help you to apply the mascara better. Okay, and now for lipstick. So we have 12 different lip glosses and we have 2 lipsticks. One of them is hot pink. Wow. And the other one is like an coral orange reddish color. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying the reddish color. I think that this is the color that I'm gonna be using just because the other one is hot pink and I don't know how that will look, but it looks good. I think it was easy to apply and yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, now to set everything in place, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this is the final result. I think that it doesn't look that bad. All of the products that I was using were new to me, so this was a first impressions video. The eyelashes fixed everything and this lipstick is not that bad. So let me know what you guys think. I think that the golden eyeshadow and the brown, it's a pretty look. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think, and also let me know what other videos you would like to see on my channel. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.